Alright, y'all, we're in the Lambo right now, headed to this show. It's 40 degrees right now, which is freaking cold, but you know what, somebody's got to do it, right? So, the Lambo's looking all nice, all set up. Got some boxes here I got to get rid of, but hey, I'm excited for today, y'all, so stay tuned. Hello, how's it going?
You want me to turn in the Porsche?
Yes.
Okay, so it'll be $20 for you and her.
So we are here at Fall Fest, South City. It's a fundraiser to rebuild the church. So we're doing renovations right here. So came out here to check it out with the Lambo. Got some good ass food. This is South City, North Carolina.
Bienvenidos, pásenle aquí al show de carros que se está llevando este evento aquí por primera vez en Santa Julia.
Hey buddy, I like your car. You did it? You had me up. Follow, subscribe. Alright, I'll subscribe back, man. You guys gotta vote for the kids towards this car, right? For real. You guys are
Best exotic, Juan Lambo. Hey. Juan, I know you have a last name. We're going to get that last name. I'm going to get the last name before the day's over. Best JDM. This is a team effort. Couple, husband and wife. This was a fun one. Kids' top favorite. The kids, we all got like 5 or 6 kids to come choose a car. They chose Juan Lambo. Come on down, brother. Next is most original.